Welcome back! In this lesson we will talk about what Notion formula is. Formula is one of the Notion database properties, and it's indispensable when you need to take values from other database columns and transform them in some way. You might want to sum expenses in different currencies, or transform minutes to hours, or concatenate several columns text to get a summarized description of the whole record. And of course, you can create a custom progress bar with formula if you are not satisfied with native progress bars in Notion. Of course, we could do all those calculations by ourselves. Getting back to the example with converting minutes to hours, I could fill the values for every task manually, and first of all, I would have to do a lot of tedious additional work. But what is more important, if at some point I realized I had made a mistake and then corrected the time in minutes, I would have to remember to change the corresponding hours value. And as a human, I could just forget to do the corrections at some point, and eventually my records would contain contradictory data. And dealing with formula, you construct it once, and it immediately starts to work for all your existing and future database records. Obviously, you have to instruct Notion which exact calculations and data transformations should be done. There is a special language for this purpose. So it's time to take a look at the formula editor.